one question that asked you, what is you?
I'm not. I'm a student of. I'm a student currently in humanities stream in class 12th, and
I'm asking again a question, what is you?
I'm Dishika Bang.
No, if I'm asking about you, I would have asked, what are you? I'm asking, what is you? This is a tricky question. It's not about you.
You is a second person in English language. It comes in the second person. Singular is also you, and plural is also you.
Okay, no issues. No. That's the problem we are facing. Like the students in our area do have one problem is English. The second problem is personality. Whenever you face into board or whenever you people are students who are coming from, let's say, Dehradun, Pune School, St. Stephen, Hindu College, Ram College, the students who are coming from that country, they are far better. In spite of the fact that you might be far more talented, but it will be difficult for you to stand there. And that's what you need to focus on, personality and English. So, like basically, but we are taught in Bihar, they're not up to the mark. Like I asked you, what is you? So you is an alphabet. It's not about you. If I would have asked you about you, I would have asked, what are you? Then you would have said, well, I'm a student, I'm a human being, I'm your name or belongings or where you belong. But I asked, what is you? So what is? The word is indicate the coming you is singular and you is plural. So like this is what you need to focus right now on. Like decide about what are subjects you want to decide. So for next 3 years. But one thing, keep in touch with me. और मैं इनको फ्री कोचिंग प्रोवाइड करूँगा. मेरी तरफ से सारा कोचिंग रहेगा. बच्चा अपना है. कभी भी कोचिंग करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो हम उसमें बात करेंगे. और कोचिंग के पैसे तुम्हें मिलेंगे. और अभी से जो भी तैयारी करनी हो, सबसे पहली चीज़ है कि जो भी सब्जेक्ट तुम लोगे उसका 6 से 12 तक पढ़ के तब ग्रेजुएशन का करना. जैसे तुम पॉलिटिकल साइंस लेना चाह रहे हो तो 9th-10th में एक बुक आती है, ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट हाउस फंक्शंस और पार्लियामेंट, 2-3 बुक आती है, 10th की होती है. तो फंडामेंटल्स बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है चाहिए हमेशा रहता है. ग्रेजुएशन में चले गए और अगर 9th-10th मिसिंग है तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होता. तो सबसे पहले जो भी सब्जेक्ट तुम ले रहे हो, 3 सब्जेक्ट, जो भी पॉलिटिकल साइंस के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन को और सब्जेक्ट लोगे तो उन तीनों सब्जेक्ट का 6ठी क्लास से लेकर के 12वीं क्लास तक, जब तक एडमिशन नहीं हो रहा है, NCERT फिनिश करो और इंग्लिश मीडियम में करो, ठीक है. उसके बाद जो फोकस करना है, एक थोड़ा सा हाफ एन आवर 15 मिनट्स अराउंड डेली न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो. एक न्यूज़पेपर आता है द हिंदू, नाम सुना है? द हिंदू. गो थ्रू हाफ एन आवर ओनली एडिटोरियल पेज, नॉट फॉर एनीथिंग बट टू how things are written there. Like you will have difficulty in future about how to write an answer. So writing an answer will be a challenge for you. And that's the biggest challenge in UPSC, cracking IS. So if you read editorial page in Hindi, then you will learn how things are written. Like for example, if you're reading about an article about, let's say, WTO in India. So if you are reading regularly those articles, you will learn the best way to write or present certain things. And that will definitely be very helpful. Any question regarding IS? All yours.
So, from where I should start? I mean, basic I know, but should I study graduation syllabus or IS syllabus together?
No, that is the same thing. Like right now, you should focus on the subjects you have chosen. Like you are planning to have political science. So I told you that start from 6th class NCERT till 12th. Whichever subjects you are reading, first you finish it, then you go for books and textbooks and graduation.
So if I am taking humanities, so I have to study all humanities related subjects from class.
All humanities. Humanities are all subjects other than science subjects are humanities. So in humanities you have political science, geography, history, economy, every psychology,
So do
sociology.
I have to study science of class 6 to 12?
No. I'm just telling you to focus right now on the subjects you choose for your graduation. So once you have chosen certain subjects, read only those subjects starting from 6 to 12. Then you will have solid foundation. like basically we miss out these things, like छठी क्लास और नहीं पढ़ता है, पढ़ चुके हैं, लेकिन if you read 6th class right now, you will learn a lot of things at this age, because when you were in 6th, you were reading like a kid. Right now, you will be reading like a mature person, and that is what is needed in you here. Like your foundation should be, like कोई भी बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं तो जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यू होगा बिल्डिंग उतनी अच्छी होगी. अगर न्यू ही जो फाउंडेशन ही अगर वीक हो जाएगा तो बिल्डिंग फिर collapse कर जाएगी.
Yeah, we should have to focus at the grassroots level.
Exactly. Basic, fundamental. God bless you. All the best.
Thank you so much.